Hello and welcome to Bird Incubator, first incubator in Croatia dedicated to artificial intelligence and data analytics. We have 6 parts of our incubator. This part is called Hello part. This is the place where we are welcoming our guests. Let me show you the other parts of our incubator. This big open space is called work part because most of the time our teams will be working here and developing their innovative products from the fields of AI and data analytics. Beside the work part, we have many other parts. This part is called think part. We have 3 rooms where people can have sessions about design and developing ideas and brainstorming. They have modular tables so they can organize their teams in different ways and enhance their innovative products. After a long day dedicated to ideas and creating value, you also need some rest. And this place here is dedicated to rest. You can have small talks and chats with your colleagues and colleagues from other teams. And of course, you can play some video games on PlayStation. Interior design of the incubator is created in a way to boost innovative and creative thinking. We used different illustrations on our walls to have this effect. Here we have 2 meeting rooms where teams can meet with their mentors and their investors. So both meeting rooms can be joined to create one big meeting room or even space for education. Also, the big open space where teams will be working has modular furniture, so it can be rearranged very fast for different meetups and events that are planned to be organized in the incubator in the afternoon or evening. When you work, you cannot work hungry. So we also have here 6th part of the incubator called Eat and our famous iCafe, where you can have lunch or dinner or just coffee or tea with your colleagues. And that's it. So we are members of CroAI, Association for AI Development in Croatia from the beginning, and we just rented this space from beginning of this year, but we knew some 9 months in advance that we will rent this space, and we said, okay, let's make our own incubator for AI and data analytics. That was, I think, maybe in March or April last year. Everybody liked the idea, and actually we started working on this project in October. So we discussed with many mentors who accepted to help us with that. We discussed with institutional VC, industry and technology partners. And we also selected the teams for the first generation. Initially opening was planned for January, but this last earthquake in December delayed everything for a few weeks, and that's it. Here we are. We are opening. So Bird is actually a brand that Poslovna Inteligencija is using for several years. Mostly outside of our southeastern European region. It's abbreviation and it means business intelligence, research and development. So we have our subsidiaries in UK and Austria called Bird Consulting. We also have our education program called Bird Academy, and we also have a program for young apprentices who are prepared to start working in Poslovna Inteligencija called Bird Internship. And actually now we also have Bird Incubator, which is actually quite funny because when you have small chicken, they are birds, and you put them in the incubator. So yeah, that's it. So we are offering the universe to our teams. They have rocket ships, they have everything they need to conquer the world. Just kidding. We have great mentors, so best of the best in Croatia, and some really nice worldwide names from different areas of expertise that will be working with our teams during these 6 months. Also, our partners have different workshops and education programs that our teams can attend, related to product design, leadership, team organization, digital marketing, etc. Of course, they can use this great space and all the infrastructure, including free software from our partners that can be used for development of their products. And finally, we have now 9 VC partners, and I suppose soon we will have some more. And those VC partners will be present here with their representatives and mentors, watching on monthly basis how teams are developing their products, so they can have really fast and efficient access to seed investments. So we have an application form on our website, and basically through that application form we accept registrations of the teams. After this registration, we organize a few calls with the team to make the assessment if they are potential candidates for the incubator. We always have 3 or 4 mentors from the incubator on those calls. We discuss with the teams what they plan to do, what is their timeline. We want to see the team members, and after that we are making the final decision. This is the list of 7 teams who are involved in our first generation, and they will be presenting their ideas and their products later today in this session. I will say maybe just a few words about them. AIzyme, they are designing proteins with the AI algorithm. Marksman is our team from India, and they are creating AI dataset marketplace for all the data needed for training and testing of AI algorithms. Merity, they're using AI and advanced analytics in measuring and improving employee satisfaction. Neolate, they are creating a chatbot and a CRM system for small and medium hotels. PlatePay, they are creating a system for paying all the drive-in and drive-to services by using registration plate of your vehicle. Cybees, they are making a platform that will connect innovative products from scientific environment with businesses that they need them. And Tricor, they are creating a very innovative system for professional cardiovascular diagnostics by using advanced chip and wearables such as shirt, glove, or sock. Our target is, of course, for next generations to have many, not only teams from Croatia, but also from other countries from Europe and worldwide, and to put this incubator and, of course, whole Croatia on a global map for AI product development. So we have many partners in the incubator, and basically this space will be available for them to organize their events and meetups in the afternoon. So all the faculties, all the software partners and vendors, all the associations like CSEX and CROI, they will be able to use this space for their events with their members to meet. And of course, it will be available with a small fee to everybody else who wants to organize their event here. And I think Bird Incubator is the next hot space where you will have your best event in Zagreb.